Yes, good morning, all of you. A warm welcome for the lab session of DMGT. We are already at the, we are going to complete our fourth unit in the lecture session, and we are supposed to just discuss about path, walk, and all that. So for that, I had shared one of the new presentation with all of you yesterday in our WhatsApp group. Even I had uploaded the same document over login in the e-contain module. Okay, so based on that, this is assignment 1, and in the last session last week, and we were dealing with the first assignment. I think so we are done up to question number 8 or 9. Had we discussed about the Hamiltonian graph? I don't think so.
No, sir.
No, yet not. Na? That will be there. That discussion will be there in our next session, very next session. So yes, we are good up to question 9 only. हाँ, तो यहाँ तक तो शायद बात हो चुकी है. Is it not, Pranjul? We had already discussed from question 1 to question 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? For this assignment, we had already done up to question number 9.
8, sir.
Okay, now let's discuss question 9. For each of the graph, draw picture of subgraph G minus A, G minus H, and G minus H. Now I need to zoom that a little bit more. And it will be visible to you. Let me zoom it a little bit more yet. Yes. Observe. First of all, we need to draw a subgraph where we need to remove one of the vertex. We need to remove the edges which are incident with that vertices. So if you are going to remove this graph, if you are going to remove the vertex A from this particular graph, then surely you need to remove this edge which connects vertex A to B, as well as you need to remove this particular edge which connects vertex A to F. So removal of one of the vertices will surely remove all the edges which are incident with that vertex, is it? So surely, and surely that particular will act as a subgraph. Is it now? What is the definition of subgraph? Can anyone? Definition of subgraph कोई बोल सकता है? What we mean by subgraph? Hello. When I can say that a graph H is a subgraph of graph G.
Sir, subset of the main graph.
Sorry?
It has vertices and edges from the previous graph.
The vertex set of graph H must be subset of vertex set of graph G, as well as edge set of graph H must be subset of edge set of graph G. Then and then we can say that graph H is a subset of graph G, subgraph of graph G. Is it, Manastik? Are we good with that? So by drawing such graph over here, while we are removing a vertex A from this particular graph, then surely that new graph will gonna act as a subgraph of the actual graph. वो actual graph का subgraph होने ही वाला है. Similarly, you are supposed to draw a graph with the removal of vertex H. H यहाँ पे निकाल देंगे. Then this edge which connects B to H, edge which connects H with C, H with E, and H with F. ये सारी edges निकल जाएगी, as well as vertex H भी निकल जाएगा. तो जो भी ग्राफ होगा, that will be a kind of shape of benzene, is it? Hexagon. in other words, and surely that will gonna act as a subgraph. As well as you need to remove g minus h from this particular graph. Then from both the graphs, you need to draw subgraph g minus a, then after g minus h, as well as g minus small a h. यहाँ पे गलती है, रुक जाओ. This is not h, this is f. This is f, sorry, capital F. Okay, so consider this particular change and you will be drawing this subgraph. Now, ये बहुत छोटी सी बात है, दोनों ग्राफ में से आपको ये 3 सबग्राफ ड्रॉ करने. इट इज नॉट अ बिग डील. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी नो, हर किसी ने अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 कंप्लीट कर लिया है, हाँ या ना, या तो कोई बाकी है? आई नीड रिप्लाई फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू. I'm having 17 students in front of me in this meeting. I need reply from all of you. All of you will reply on the chat box right now. All those who are done with this particular. Darshan का काम हो चुका है. Raj, you are already done. Sri Narayan, Dhruvi, up to 8. हाँ, तो 9th is very very simple. वो तो अभी कर देगा तू, वो तो 1 ही मिनट का काम है. तन्मय up to 8. How many of you are rest with this? How many of you are rest with this? How many of you are yet not completed this particular task? कितने बच्चे हैं जिसका बाकी है? बताओ, प्लीज बताओ, या तो फिर अभी मैं बोलूंगा कि स्क्रीन शेयर करो. It will not gonna work then. Let me know how many of you are yet left with this particular assigned work. Whether I'm just audible to 3 or 4 students only? Let me ask one by one. Ayush, unmute yourself. Ayush, no. Ayush Banushali, unmute yourself. Ayush Banushali, if you are there, then unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes. कितने क्वेश्चन हुए, कितने बाकी है? Honestly बताना, अभी बोलूंगा मैं, वरना स्क्रीन शेयर करने के लिए. Let me know honestly. Ayush, unmute
Sorry, sir,
yourself.
can you repeat the question?
असाइनमेंट 1 में मैंने तुझे क्वेश्चन 1 to 8 खत्म करने के लिए बोला था. क्या ये काम हो चुका है या बाकी है?
सर बाकी है काम.
कितना बाकी है? कितना बाकी है?
सर बाकी है पूरा.
पूरा कर, अभी पूरा कर, बिफोर 11. ठीक है,
Yes,
do it
sir.
right now. Alzar Daba, unmute yourself. Alzar Daba, am I audible to you? Alzar Daba, unmute yourself. Alzar Daba, unmute yourself. Alzar, unmute yourself and talk to me. Your screen, your mic is not working. This is not acceptable. Okay, let me know the chat box. Are you done with the question 1 to question 8 from assignment 1? Are you done with that particular assigned job? Alza, let me know on the chat box right now. Not yet, sir. You are supposed to complete this particular task before 11, right now in this particular meet. Do it right now. Start your work. Okay. After Alza, Darshan Parmar. Darshan Mania, Darshan Parmar. Be unmute karo. Yes, Darshan.
यस सर.
हाँ मनियार.
सर 8 थी बाकी है.
हाँ पूरू कर चल.
हाँ सर.
Darshan Parmar, what is your status? Till the time I'm checking, I'm dealing with all the students, rest of all the students. बाकी के लोग क्या करेंगे? The PPT which I had forward yesterday in the group related to unit 3. You guys are unit 4. Sorry, you guys are supposed to go through that up to slide number 29. So go through with that particular presentation up to slide number 29 right now. I'm going to ask some of the questions from there to all those who are done with the assigned job. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. and
Sir.
that particular presentation, you may consider that particular as your reading material for the midsem examination. Okay,
Yes, sir.
kindly consider
Sir,
that
question
particular
number
document.
9.
Not हाँ, up to question number 9 करना है अभी.
सर एक मिनट 9 में सर बता रहा हूँ कुछ.
हाँ बोल,
Doubt
क्या
है.
इश्यू है बता.
सर उसमें जो G माइनस सेट में बड़ा एच है ना.
Yes, this one.
हाँ. हाँ तो सर फर्स्ट में से अगर वो निकाल देंगे तो भी B और E और F और C तो कनेक्ट होंगे ही ना.
This you are talking on this graph.
यस सर.
Okay, if you are going to remove the vertex edge from the first graph, then surely कितनी vertex तेरी निकल जाएगी. देख, this one which connects B to H, this edge will be not there. ये निकलेगी, ये edge निकलेगी, ये चार edge निकलेगी which connects B to H, then after C to H, then after H to F and H to E. ये चार edges निकल जाएंगी, साथ में the vertex edge will got removed.
यस
Clear है?
सर वो. यस सर. और F से पहले जो छोटा एच था G माइनस सेट छोटा
नहीं,
एच,
नहीं,
सर वो
नहीं.
शायद ये एच के लिए नहीं था. CD के बीच में जो एच है.
हाँ, वो
First
उसके लिए
graph
था,
में.
पर अभी मैंने उसको F कर दिया है, वो H नहीं किया रखा है. ठीक है.
सर.
हम्म.
थैंक यू सर.
ओके, अगर उसको F भी रख दे, let me add one more over there. G minus sorry. If I'm gonna write like this, then observe in the both the graphs, I'd assign one of the edge as H. मैंने एक ही edge को नाम दिया हुआ है. I'd assign only single edge with the name H. By removal of one of the edge, if we wish to remove one of the edge from the graph, then both the vertices which is incident to that edge will not got removed. C और D remove नहीं होगा. ठीक है. When you are removing one of the edge, then वो edge ही निकलेगा. C और D remove नहीं हो सकता वहां से. ठीक है. क्लियर है? हाँ या ना? क्लियर है? अगर तू H निकाल रहा है, ये स्मॉल H निकाल रहा है, स्मॉल H जो कि एक एज है बेटा, अगर तू उसको रिमूव कर रहा है तो उसके जो एंड वर्टाइसेस है ना, वो रिमूव नहीं हो सकते. ठीक है. आर वी गुड?
यस सर.
ओके, गुड. દર્શન પરમાર, તું બાકી છે બેટા કહેવામાં. દર્શન પરમાર, દર્શન રાજ, ક્યાં સુધી કમ્પ્લીટ થયું છે બોલ. દર્શન, યુ આર નોટ ઓડિબલ. Darshan, you are not audible. And go तो ये काम करिस.